We are a small software startup specializing in connecting commercial gaming technologies with military simulation training systems. We are very excited to be selected as a Phase 1 SBIR recipient.
There is an urgent need in the Air Force to train new pilots faster, as well as a need to create visual simulations capable of producing complex, multi-domain scenarios that represent the current and future threats that pilots will face in an operational environment. We must find the middle ground between chair flying and high-end stationary simulators. At SimBlocks.io, we are proposing building on Pilot Training Next to support the existence of emerging data connectivity standards, as well as evaluate the use of commercial gaming technology to replace proprietary image generation systems. SimBlocks.io has enhanced the Unity engine with the ability to visualize a worldwide base terrain with high detailed content in sets and multiple levels of detail. We are able to consume geospatial content from open data sources and cloud services, as well as defense-specific modeling datasets. What we do at SimBlocks.io is to develop software and middleware that adds defense-specific capabilities to Unity to support niche communication and visualization standards required for simulation training systems, enabling content reuse and standards compliance as our customers transition to modern development toolsets. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to contact our team, please email us at sibir@simblocks.io. Thanks and have an outstanding day.